terrestrial biome is a distinct assemblage of plant and animal groups occupying a given geographical location. The many types of biomes are distinguished primarily by two combined factors: temperature and precipitation. Many may recognize The Jungle Cruise, whether you've seen the movie or been on the ride. The movie is set in the Amazon rainforest, though parts were filmed in Hawaii, another place with tropical rainforests. These biomes have high temperature and precipitation year-round. The soil is weathered, acidic, and nutrient-poor, and plants have adaptation to tolerate the shade, find light, or gain energy from sources other than the sun.
Swinging the action is Indiana Jones fighting in Sri Lanka, a tropical seasonal forest, a place known for its hot temperatures as we see Dr. Jones in the appropriate clothing. This biome has many wet and dry seasons, with nutrient-rich soil to support heavy amounts of plant life, including deciduous trees.
The Pride Lands from The Lion King are an example of a tropical savanna biome, dominated by grasslands with scattered hardy trees. Temperatures are high year-round, and precipitation is seasonal, with short wet and long dry seasons. Subsoil layers trap and conserve moisture.
As we travel to hotter climates, we can enter into the post-apocalyptic hot desert lands of Mad Max. This biome can reach extremely high temperatures combined with little to no precipitation year-round. The soil is often alkaline or saline, containing low amounts of nutrients and stabilized by biocrusts. Plant life is extremely sparse, but highly specialized to retain as much water as possible to survive the stressful environment. In Dances with Wolves, we see similar landscapes to a temperate grassland, such as central Kansas and Wyoming. Here, temperate seasons include warm summers and cold winters, with more precipitation in the summers. The fertile soil runs deep, which can support the great grasslands we see, and is adapted to tolerate and benefit from fire and grazing, which help maintain the grassland dominance.
Next up, we have this classic coming-of-age film, Stand By Me. This is a great example of a temperate deciduous forest because it shows lush trees that lose their leaves seasonally, dense undergrowth, and clear forest paths. The characters move through a changing forest environment, highlighting the seasonal cycles and diverse plant life that define this biome. This Oscar-winning film, Gladiator, shows a temperate shrubland biome through its dry, open landscapes with scattered shrubs and hardy grasses. The film highlights hot summers, sparse tree cover, and animals adapted to these conditions, giving a clear picture of life in a semi-arid, temperate environment.
Filmed in Canada, the movie Anne of Green Gables is set in the boreal forest, where temperature is seasonal with warm summers and cold to mild winters, and they receive moderate levels of precipitation. The soil here is acidic, organic-rich, and very water-saturated. Common plants found here include conifers, pine trees, and shrubs. The Twilight Saga shows a landscape similar to the temperate rainforest biome. Temperature here is seasonal with cool summers and mild winters. There is high precipitation here except during the summer, and although the soil is usually infertile, here we find some of the tallest trees in the world.
Next up, we have a classic animated film, Ice Age. This is a great example of a tundra biome because it shows a cold, icy environment with limited plants and snow-covered plains. The animals, like mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, are adapted to survive harsh conditions, showing how life endures in this extreme ecosystem.